Okay, part 3 of this trip. Part 2, or part 1. We are in the park and we're trying to locate a bus stop. So what I learned from Radio Drive? Nothing. It was like, you know, ex-celebrities performing at my venue. How is your daughter? Oh, thankfully, my child goes to XYZ private school. And pretty much that was it. And then I went over to Blue Bottle Coffee and I said, hey. And I went in there and I said, I am a water concierge and I want to test your water. And then I said, you know what? This is Beverly Hills. I want 1 ice cube and a half. So they wouldn't ask for any extra curriculum information about me sitting in the area while I charged my phone. And it says, then I told them I'm gonna come back after I try the Starbucks coffee and compare. And then the people started laughing behind the counter and I ran back. I chilled down for a bit while getting down here. Oh, is that that place where I hear about? What is it called, the Waldorf or whatever? I think so. Yeah. So we're here. There's Century City. That's where all the real magic happens. All the cable, television, the everything you can imagine. I walked past there. So we're trying to locate this bus stop. Oh, I think it's over there. I'm gonna walk through. I have to walk back to the garden. Wow. And we're here. I've gotten pretty good at holding this camera. I used to breathe a lot heavier. Although that weightlifting has paid off. You can't see it, but see? Still pale. You can lower that body fat. No wonder I'm like average coming into fit, not into lean yet. The goal is lean. Lean, lean, lean. Lean, mean, fatty machine. Yeah. Oh, this is the walkway when I first, I think I went first through Beverly Hills. And it freaking, oh, that's not the Waldorf. Can't even pronounce it right. Okay, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Bus stop. I'm gonna keep on walking through the park. Look at this little trail. There's Century, there's Aloe, there's that place that's up there, which I thought was the Waldorf. Beverly Hilton. Wow. Yes. Who's this supposed to be? Hello, sir. You're a local Beverly Hills residents. Beverly Hills Garden Park, originally conceived and created as a result of vision of the generosity of the city's early residents, property owners. Numerous individuals purchased and gifted the land for this park in the early years of the city's development. The city of Beverly Hills wishes to acknowledge and thank the following individuals and corporate donors who have generously donated to restore and preserve this park for the use and enjoyment of future generations. Over $500,000, up to $200,000, $25,000. October 2000. Hello. Missing since 11. Oh, sorry for that. Okay. And what is this depicting? Like the early settlers of California or something? This is a nice little park. Huh. Starbucks. It's everywhere, can't escape it. Is that the Waldorf? The Waldorf. I can't even pronounce it. Can't talk straight. The hand's sitting there like he's a statue. Oh, yep, I guess it's early settlers. That's an Native American. Wow. What's a lot happening here. Okay. Well, thank you for joining me hanging around this park while I wait for the bus. I think it's on the other street. I don't know which street. Okay. Take care. Out.